Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft Teams files and chats to OneDrive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Microsoft Teams files and chats to OneDrive, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Navigate to the team containing the files or chat you want to backup. For files, go to the Files tab at the top of the channel. Select the file you wish to backup. Click on the three-dot menu next to the file name. From the drop-down menu, choose the download option to save the file to your device. Next, open OneDrive in your web browser or app. Log in using your Microsoft account credentials if prompted. Once in OneDrive, click on the Upload button. Select the Files option from the Upload menu. Locate the downloaded file from your device and select it. The file will now upload to OneDrive, ensuring it is securely stored. Now, to backup your chats, open Microsoft Teams again. Go to the chat where you want to backup the conversation. Select the messages you want to save. Click and drag to highlight the messages or use Ctrl+C to copy them. Open a text editor or Word document on your device. Paste the copied chat messages into the document using Ctrl+V. Save the document to your device. Now, return to OneDrive. Click on the Upload button once again. Choose Files and locate the saved chat document. Select it to upload your chat backup to OneDrive. Your Teams files and chats are now safely backed up to OneDrive. You can access them anytime from the OneDrive app or website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.